Hello, beloveds. It's the Reverend Deanna Vandiver from Ever Unfolding, wishing you joy and safety wherever you are. I share with you today a poem by one of my most beloved poets, Naomi Shihab Nye, Palestinian-American poet whose work has shaped me for decades now. Especially this poem, Making a Fist. For the first time on the road north of Tampico, I felt the life sliding out of me, a drum in the desert, harder and harder to hear. I was 7. I lay in the car, watching palm trees swirl a sickening pattern against the glass. My stomach was a melon split wide inside my skin. "How do you know if you are going to die?" I begged my mother. We had been traveling for days. With strange confidence, she answered, "When you can no longer make a fist." Years later, I smile to think of that journey, the borders we must cross separately, stamped with our unanswerable woes. I, who did not die, who am still living, still lying in the backseat behind all my questions, clenching and opening one small fist. And so it is.